Yo, what up, everybody? It is Afro Chuck, and we are here for another quick session. We are going to speed run setting up OpenClaw. Again, OpenClaw is the AI that actually does things. This has been the sensation. This is what all the energy, everything has been about. So we're going to see if we can't set it up. First, should we see what people are saying about it, or we just want to get to let's go to the fun stuff. So we're going to set this bad boy up. I'm on openclaw.ai. Right here, we're going to set this up on an AWS server. So the first thing is I'm going to need to grab this line of code. We'll see where it goes here in a second. Just follow along. Quick start. Make sure one-liner's clicked. Mac OS is clicked. And then right here, you can just copy that. Then we're going to go to aws.amazon.com. Again, aws.amazon.com. Set up a free account. They give you a free credit. It's like 6 months free. So you're going to click right there, EC2. And right over here to the top right, it's going to say launch instance. We're going to launch without a walkthrough. So right here under name and tag name, we're going to name the server. For today's purpose, we are going to name it OpenClaw. And server type, we want to select Ubuntu, okay? And then instance type. We want to give it some power. So again, there's going to be a few different options, but we're looking for M7i Flex Large. It's the most power you can give it. And then we're going to create a key pair right here. We'll refer to that in a little bit, but you could just name it something simple like OpenClaw. Create key pair. It's going to then save that to your downloads. Again, we'll come back to that as a .pem. Now we're going to click launch instance. And up here in this green strip, you're going to see the series of numbers. You just click those series of numbers. And this is going to take you to the summary page, instant details. Here's your public IP address. But again, we're getting through all the noise. And we're clicking connect. Bottom right, connect. Signal. Finding that signal, guys, okay? Now, this is firing up that Amazon server. Right here, boom, this thing's ready to go. Here's all the specs if you care about it. We're gonna go right here and we're gonna paste in that thing that I had you copy earlier from OpenClaw. So now what's gonna happen is it's going to prepare the environment. It looks like there's 1 out of 3 steps. It's installing some things. Why it's doing that, let's see what people are saying. Laugh out loud, this is hilarious, troubling, and awesome. That's how you feel, because you got to remember, at some point these things are going in robots, right? Especially if you know how they really work. Carpathy, excellent reading, thank you. Love Oracle and Claw. Again, people are absolutely ecstatic about this. Featured in Mac Stories, Starry Hope. There's a Discord. Here's the docs, the Git, Claw Hub, where you can implement different skills. You get it to work with Slack, find skills, self-improving agents. So all sorts of good stuff there. Let's see where it's at right now. We're on step 2 out of 3 of Git. But again, these are all different things that you can include. Stay in the loop, subscribe, sponsors, Versa, they're awesome. Yeah, so this should be wrapping up. Again, if you got any questions, if you get stuck, confused, pause the video, or feel free to send me a message, drop a comment. I'm happy to help. We can set up a time, set up a Zoom, and I'm happy to walk you through it. Afro Chuck, like, subscribe, all of my content on X, it's Chuck You Suck. Just look for Afro Chuck, Chuck You Suck. You'll find me. 3 out of 3. It is finalizing. All right, guys, we're getting close. Here we go. Okay, I understand that this may be dangerous. It says something like that. Are you sure you want to do it? We're going to click yes. So once you get into the terminal, the one thing to keep in mind is, yeah, you can move the mouse on it, but I don't think it really works on there. So you got to use your keyboard. So I'm just going to hit arrow, and then I'm going to hit enter or return. Then I'm going to select quick start. Again, the process is to speed run it. We're going OpenAI. It's going to give me this code. We want to copy it. We're going to throw it in over here, paste. It's then going to ask us to sign in. I'm going to sign in with Google and pick my Tiny Prompters account. I'm gonna hit continue. It's gonna take me to a page. Oh, this site can't be reached. What is going on? Perfect. This is actually a good screen. You want this. You want to take that URL, copy it, go back to your EC2 instance, and oh, look, paste that uDirect URL right here. Bam. So that's going in. That's the brain. That's the power. So this bad boy is going to be powered by OpenAI ChatGPT. I think that's the next question. It's going to ask what model we want to use exactly. So we're going to see. We'll just keep current codecs, even though we should probably OpenAI codecs. Yeah. Well, what do they got? These are all the different models. Yeah, we'll just keep it current. And here's where we set it up, how we can communicate with it. We'll go with WhatsApp. They got Telegram, iMessage, all sorts of stuff. I've just been using WhatsApp. A lot of people use Telegram. It's really just kind of personal preference. Discord, I've tested it out in Discord. It's just thinking for a second. So yeah, there's all sorts of different communication channels. I should be wrapping up here. Should be giving us a QR code link. Yep, so link WhatsApp now. It's going to give us a QR code. Keep in mind, you want to open up WhatsApp and then the camera inside of WhatsApp. Right, you're going to go ahead and scan that. Device detected. We're going to link device. Okay. I should. Boom. This is my. Personal number. Then I'm going to go +1 319 409 4738. I'm not that popular, guys. If you want to hit me up. Happy to help. Afro Chuck. All right, it's going to ask us for search provider. You have Brave, you have Google Search, Grok, Kimmy Moonshot, Perplexity, skip for now. I'm just going to skip it for now. Actually, I think I got Gemini pulled up. So let me just, yeah, we'll go Gemini since I got it pulled up. That's just Google AI Studio. Get an API key. I bet I got one right here. Boom. Again, this is just personal preference. Some people like Perplexity. Some people like Gemini. Configure skills now. Yep. Actually, we're going to skip it. So I just want to hit space, and that's going to select skip for now. And enter. And then set Google API. Nah. Nope. 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 And we're going to skip that for now, too. Let's see what happens. It should be starting to cook. While it's doing this, I'm actually going to send a quick test. 409 4738. And I'm just going to say, hello. Let's see if we can see the screen. Oh, wrong screen. Oh, so he's there. I said hello. He came back. Hey, I just came online. Who am I? And who are you? If you want, we can make this quick. Give me a name. So yeah, he's live. Let's go. Open in UI. From here, it's going to give you a dashboard link. You can post that into a URL, and that's where you can access it. You may have to set up the key pair. But from here, you are good. I'll do another video on how we can open up the tunnel and the key pair to access it from a browser.